Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network access and permissions. Make sure your phone and computer are on the same Wi-Fi or a hotspot, and grant the phone link app permission to access files and notifications. Once done, select the files you want to transfer on your PC or phone, then choose Share and pick the phone link or nearby sharing option. You do this now so the devices can negotiate a secure link. This prevents interruptions later and speeds up the transfer negotiation process. Once you initiate sharing, accept the pairing prompt on the receiving phone immediately. This establishes the encrypted channel. Make sure to configure transfer options. Choose whether to allow cellular transfer, set low battery warnings, and pick file overwrite behavior. You should monitor the transfer progress in the app so you can pause or cancel if a conflict or large file stalls. Doing this prevents duplicate files and keeps you in control. It also reveals whether background app restrictions are blocking completion. Finish by confirming the files open properly on your phone and are in the intended folder. This verifies integrity and usable permissions. If some files failed, resend just those items or bundle many files into a compressed archive to reduce handshake overhead. If you hit problems, try one key troubleshooting step. Toggle the app permissions and restart both apps, then retry. If that fails, switch to a phone hotspot or USB transfer to isolate network or app restriction causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.